Hey, what's up my friends? How are you? Your Japanese friend Kay is here again. Thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, so today just let me say about Japanese grammar. I think the small thing. The last previous two videos I told you about A is B and also A is not B things, right? Do you remember that? Then thank you very much if you remember that. And I would like to tell you the one thing that I even didn't realize that. Did you realize that you in the sentence in A is B, I wrote the sentence in Japanese A wa B desu, right? So I was writing like this. A is B, A wa B desu, right? And I just wrote the subtitle down under the ha. It's like I wrote HA. I wrote HA the last two videos. So HA we pronounce it ha, right? But I said in this sentence A wa B desu. A wa B desu. I'm writing ha, but I'm saying wa, right? Okay. Japanese don't know that. Japanese unconsciously changing the sound. When we writing, it's exactly HA, ha, though we pronounce wa. And we don't know that. We Japanese don't think about that at all. So yeah, it's funny, right? So it's written ha, but we pronounce wa. A wa B desu. A. It's written ha, but we say wa. A wa B desu. Why? I'm gonna tell you why. So the long time ago, very long time ago, few hundreds of time ago, maybe 1,000 time ago, we were saying wa together. It's nothing differences between ha and wa. They are everything wa. But nowadays, this sound remained in the sentence. So if this ha used as a particle, we pronounce wa. Okay, I'll show you the example. So in the word, if written it's ha, we say ha. Okay, I'll show you the example. Okay, so this is when we pronounce ha. It's written exactly ha, but also we pronounce the sound ha. Those are noun, and this one is adjective. It's hana, okay, flower. This one is haha, means mother. This one means hayai, means early, okay. Hana, flower is noun, right? So it's precisely we pronounce hana, okay. And mother, this one is also noun, right? So we pronounce haha, ha, okay? So early, hayai means early. So this one is adjective, okay? But we also pronounce ha, hayai, hana, haha, hayai. There are nothing wa, wa. No, we don't say wana. Waha, wawa, wayai. No, we don't say that. Okay? Then how about when we pronounce wa? Okay, I'll show you the example again. Okay, now I'm telling you when we pronounce wa, it's written ha, but we pronounce wa, okay? Watashi wa 学生です means I am a student. 私 は学生です。I am a student. これは本です。It's written ha, but we pronounce wa. Why? これは本です。This is a book. This is a book. Okay? So in this sentence, this ha works as a grammar particle. Okay? So you know what I mean? So that last one, that in the noun or adjective, it's ha, right? But those ha contains the sentence and work as a topic maker. I mean, these are grammar particle. You know, it's really grammar thing, which is I really hate it. But it's good thing that we know about it. Okay, I even didn't know that. So don't worry about it. It is what it is. Okay, just to know. Knowing is great thing, right? If you don't know, it's okay. But if you knew that, it's much greater than didn't know. Okay, so let's study together. Okay. But Japanese didn't know that. Japanese don't know that. We don't have any conscious about that. 私は学生です。You know, this ha is in the sentence and works as a grammar particle. And this one too. これは本です。It's particle. これは本です。This is a book. Okay. Alright, let's get back to the point. Okay, now let's have a practice here together, okay? When we pronounce ha and wa, okay? I wrote one sentence here. 母は優しい人です。I said, my mother is a kind person. 母は優しい人です。Okay? So, how do we pronounce this? Or ha, right? But it's maybe HA or WA. Alright, let's do it. 母は優しい人です。You get it, right? Let's see the answer. 母は優しい人です。Right? 母 Mother is優しい人人 means person. So 母は優しい人です。My mother is a kind person. 母は優しい人です。My mother is a kind person. So 母 is noun, right? And this は is particle in the grammar sentence. That's why we pronounce wa. This 母 is a noun. 母は優しい人です。My mother is a kind person. Okay, next sentence. I wrote here. 私は母が大好きです。私は母が大好きです。I said, I love my mother. I love my mother. I love my mother. 私は母が好きです。私 is a whole another story. The 私 is just noun, right? Me, I, 私 Yes, you are right. Here is WA. 私は again 母が my mother 大好きです love I love my mother 私は母が大好きです私は母が大好きです It's whole same story, right? This は is the grammar particle. That's why we pronounce は wa は母が大好きです母 Here is the noun, right? That's why we say exactly ha haha. Haha means mother, right? Haha means mother. 私は母が大好きです。I love my mother. Yes, that's it. Okay, you now get it. All right. Okay, now I got back the first sentence. A is B. A is B. In Japanese, A は B です。Right? Okay. A is B. A は B です。And the pronouns of this は is WA. A は B です。Now we get it. We did it. I'm sorry I'm Japanese, but I didn't realize that. Unconsciously, we Japanese pronounce this ha to wa. But me also, I needed to look up ChatGPT. I asked him, hey ChatGPT, here is a Japanese sentence written ha, but we say wa. Why? Tell me why. You know how Japanese is unnaturally, uniquely manipulate our language. I'm sorry, we are native Japanese, so it's another story, right? You have your native language, so you have your own way in your own native language, right? So we say this ha, we pronounce wa naturally, but you need to know that, okay? But if you're a good Japanese learner, if it's written ha, you're gonna say A ha B です。A ha B です。私は学生です。No, no, no, no. You're gonna say A は B です。私は学生です。Right? Okay. That's precious moment here. We learned very important thing at this time. Thank you very much for watching my video again. I love you guys. You know why? Because you are trying very hard to learn Japanese. That's why I love you guys, okay? Good job. And I'm so glad to be here for you. And let's go to next video. Please leave your comment. Just say hi to me. I'm so happy if I could see your comment. Alright, let's go next video.